Temperatures upper 40s today certainly felt nice compared to the low 30s of yesterday. And we're going to be in the 40s and then 50s for a time tomorrow night into the first few hours, I think, of Friday. Price to pay, wind and rain is coming along with it. So the fact that we had 47 today and it was dry, enjoy it. 45 in Caldwell and Newark right now, still holding on to 45 in Belmar. Starting to chill down a little bit in the clearer skies in our northwestern suburbs. The cloud line is pressing off to the south and east. That's with a very weak front that's dropping on through. No real weather associated with it. No big change in temperature. In fact, tomorrow we'll be in this air mass and we'll be back in the 40s again. The clouds will start to increase from that system over to the west of us, though. So as the high pressure area protects us tonight, keeps us dry, near enough by through the day tomorrow to keep the daylight hours dry. It's tomorrow night. We get into that strong southerly flow ahead of this very strong cold front, and the rain starts to ramp up in bands of showers that will be very heavy, especially during the Friday morning commute. That's our concern point, really, because we're talking about rainfall rates of maybe a ½ inch an hour or more in some locations, melting snow on top of that, and strong winds. So Futurecast shows again, we're talking about temperatures climbing from the upper 40s late in the day tomorrow. Look at this, into the 50s. This is 3 a.m. Friday morning. And they keep climbing for a little while in some areas to maybe 57. Record high for Friday is 58, so we could come close to that, but it's coming with a periodic heavy downpours and strong winds. We've got a wind advisory that kicks in, wind gusts of 40 to 50 miles per hour or higher possible starting late tomorrow night into Friday and through the day Friday. And then notice the temperatures start to drop and we dry it on out later Friday afternoon. So 37 tonight. We'll call it partly cloudy to at times clear. Some of the suburbs, though, back down into the 20s again, north and west especially. 46 tomorrow. Clouds gradually increase if we get a little sun early on. But I think it's dry through the daylight hours. Rain moves in tomorrow night in the form of showers. And there's our weather alert day Friday. 56 your high, falling later in the day into the 30s at night. The rain ends by afternoon. Strong gusty winds. Weekends dry, maybe a little light rain snow mix come late Tuesday into early Wednesday next week.